Okay, welcome back children. I believe you have tried. Okay, at least try page 174. So now I will go through and you check through. Okay, Mrs. Rahim bought a roast chicken and a watermelon during a sale. Find the price Mrs. Rahim paid for the items. Okay, so let's look at this roast chicken. There is a sale going on which is $2.50 off. And they already show the number bond for you to split dollars and cents. Okay, so first step, okay, if you use mental sums, it will be subtract the dollars first. So $9.95 subtract. So remember to put in your minus sign. So what is the dollars here, right? So we need to subtract $2 first. So therefore, $9.95 minus $2. So 9 minus 2 is $7.95. Okay, if you got this right, put a little tick. So after you subtract the dollars, now you subtract the cents because we still have the 50 cents that we haven't minus off yet. So bring this $7.95 down. So subtract the cents. So how much is this? 50 cents, right? So the dollars is not affected, so dollars stay the same. What is 95 minus 50 cents? So we do not need to regroup. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So it is $7.45. So she paid $7.45 for a roast chicken. Okay, pause if you need to. Otherwise, let's move on to question B. Subtract the dollars, watermelon, okay, $5.90. Now there is a sale for $8.85 off. So again, okay, the workbook is very nice. They split the number bond for us, $1 and split 85 cents. So let's begin. Subtract the dollars first. So we need to minus this $1 away. So remember your minus sign. Okay, so $5.90 minus $1. So 5 minus 1 is very simple, it's $4. But don't forget your 90 cents. Okay, so now let's bring this down over here. $4.90. Now we haven't subtract away the cents yet, which is 85 cents. So let's write here, minus away 85 cents. So again, alright, the dollar stays the same. So it's $4. Okay, so 90 minus 85 is actually 5 cents. Okay, therefore, $5.90 minus $1.85 is $4.05. So she paid $4.05 for a watermelon. Okay, right. Now, if you need to do your working like 90 minus 85, you can at the side. Alright. Okay, so now I think you're more familiar of doing mental sums step by step. I want you to do page 175 and 176 on your own before you check your answer in the next video.